Imagine a battlefield where no bombs drop, no guns fire, yet the casualties are real. Minds are swayed, trust is eroded, and societies fracture from within. This is the new frontier of warfare, digital propaganda supercharged by artificial intelligence. In a world where truth is optional and reality is algorithmically tailored, who's really in control? The government, corporations, or the technology itself? Welcome to PhantomTec Reports, where today we step into the shifting battlefield of AI-driven propaganda, cyber warfare, and a digital war for your mind. And in doing so, we ask, is this very video propaganda itself? But to understand how we got here, we have to step back to a time when the Soviet Union played a long game of subversion through a strategy known as active measures, Russian aktivnaya meropryatiya. What once took decades of careful infiltration and misinformation can now unfold in hours thanks to the tech sphere and AI-driven manipulation. So let's pull back the curtain on this modern propaganda machine and ask a harder question. Are we, in exposing it, becoming part of the very cycle we're warning against? Active measures, the Soviet playbook for destabilization. During the Cold War, the Soviet Union didn't just rely on military might, they weaponized ideas. Their strategy of active measures aimed to weaken enemy nations like the United States from within by stoking political, social, and racial tensions. This wasn't about quick wins, it was a slow, methodical process broken into 4 phases. Demoralization, 15 to 20 years in the institutions, media, education, and government by spreading divisive ideologies. Destabilization, 2, fueling economic and political unrest to heighten internal chaos. Crises, pushing society to a breaking point, triggering violent clashes or widespread panic. Normalization, presenting a new controlled regime as the new normal. It was a strategy of psychological warfare, one that didn't need tanks to conquer, just ideas. The evolution from KGB to AI, fast forward to today, and the Cold War playbook hasn't vanished, it's evolved. The internet, social media, and AI have transformed disinformation into a high-speed weapon. What took years to orchestrate through Soviet spies can now be done by a handful of coders using AI-powered tools. Let's break down how modern tech fuels this new era of propaganda. 1. AI-generated misinformation. Artificial intelligence can now generate hyper-realistic fake news articles, fabricated videos, deepfakes, and even AI voices mimicking politicians,
blurring the lines between truth and fiction. The sheer speed and scale of AI allow disinformation campaigns to flood social media faster than fact-checkers can respond. 2 bot armies and algorithmic manipulation, state-sponsored troll farms like Russia's Internet Research Agency, IRA, deploy bot armies that spam social media with divisive content algorithms designed to boost engagement, often amplify these emotionally charged posts, pushing extreme viewpoints into mainstream visibility. 3. Echo chambers and radicalization. AI algorithms driven by user behavior create echo chambers. The more you engage with a certain type of content, the more the system feeds you the same, pushing users deeper into ideological silos. This fosters polarization, a classic goal of active measures. The irony when exposing propaganda becomes propaganda, here's the part that stings. Even as we peel back the layers of AI-driven propaganda, we have to ask, are we just adding another layer to the noise? The very act of highlighting disinformation can itself become a tool for influence. Overexposure to the truth can desensitize people, making them doubt everything, a tactic the Soviets once employed. Counter-propaganda can harden biases, with people rejecting facts they perceive as coming from the other side. Narrative warfare turns every explanation into ammunition, as some viewers might see this very video as part of a larger manipulative agenda. It's a psychological feedback loop, and it's by design. The scariest weapon in today's propaganda war isn't AI, it's doubt. The goal is no longer to make you believe a lie, it's to drown you in conflicting narratives until you stop believing anything at all. Truth becomes just another opinion, and reality itself becomes a contested space. So where does that leave us?
PhantomTec isn't here to push an agenda. We're here to open your eyes, not to tell you what to think, but to remind you how to think. Critical thinking, cross-checking sources, and questioning both the obvious and the obscure are your best weapons against digital manipulation. And maybe, just maybe, we can break the cycle. So I coin now the meta paradox. Whether you're watching this video with full skepticism or nodding in agreement, ask yourself, who or what has shaped the way you see this information? The deeper you dig, the more the question lingers. In a digital age, how do you know what's real? As this video comes to a close, ask yourself, has this been an expose or just another narrative pulling at your strings? The answer, as always, is yours to decide. Subscribe and like PhantomTec, because in this digital age, awareness is your strongest defense. I'm just another tech phantom signing off from PhantomTec. Peace.
Will we as a species change our ways, or will we continue down a path of short-term gains and long-term consequences? The answer defines not just our future, but whether humanity truly deserves its place among the stars. So, will you continue to live the lie, or will you finally see and acknowledge the truth? Lag is a bitch, people. I'm ready when you are. Until then, thanks for watching PhantomTec, and until next time, peace!